Hey guys, welcome here. So in this video I'm gonna show you the comparison between hBonusly and Nectar. So both popular websites. So as you know that hBonusly and Nectar are the fun and easy recognition platform to engage all of your employees, build a connected culture and improve retention and productivity and everywhere. So simply just these two websites will connect all of your employees to just boost your company productivity and all other future. So simply just we will make the comparison that between the both websites which is best for you and how you can make a good comparison after this video. So just simply first of all you can see the logo of Monthly and Nectar. So simply just go down and here you can see at a glance star ratings. First of all you can see the Monthly has reviews and ratings like 5-star ratings, and here you can see that 4.5 ratings. Now market segments. So here you can see the mid market 59.2% of reviews, and here mid market 72.9. That is 8.6 and response 369. Now here you can check the ratings 8.1 and response 534. Now performance 9.3 and response 495. Now here you can check that 9.4 rating and 986 response. Just after that automation, here you can check the platform content for employee recognition software. So automation 9.0 and here you can check 9.2. So file sharing, here you can check the file sharing rating for Bouncy and Nectar like 8.7, 9.0 content library. So thus here you can check the response and rating for both. Now after that platform additional functionality for employee recognition software. So just first of all you can check the integration. So for Bouncy the rating is 8.8 and here you can check the rating is 9.11, response 334473. Now mobility 9.1 rating and here you can check the 9.2 ratings. Corporate discounts 8.7 and now here you can check the rating is 8.9. In the next the 251 response and here you can check the response 621. Now employee engagement. So simply you can check the ratings 9.4 and here you can check also the same ratings here 9.4. Now here you can check the response 528 937. After that now finally here you can check the rewards 9.4 and 9.4 same. Now reviewers company size. So finally here you can check for small business 50 or less, so 27.4%. 22.7%. Now mid market like 51, between 51 and 1000s, so just 5 9.6 9.5 9.2%, and here you can check 72.9%. After that enterprise above 1000, simply just you can check the 13.4% rating here, and in the next here you can check the 4.4% rating. So now we will go to reviews industry. So computer software 70.0%, and here you can check the 6.0%. So here you can check the information technology and service. So simply 15.8%, 5.8%, marketing and advertising 8.6%. Here you can check for the Nectar 5.4%, internet 5.4%, information technology and service 5.3%, hospital and healthcare 3.5%, 4.5%. After that other 49.7%, other 73.0%. Now here you can check the categories. Shared categories, hBonusly and Nectar are categorized per employee recognition. So simply unique categories, employee engagement, and after that here you can check the reviews and top alternatives. So after that, when you completely visit the comparison, and now after that, now it depends upon you that which website is best for you, like hBonusly or Nectar. So simply after the making this comparison, you will be